Set on a tranquil waterfront allotment, taking in peaceful vistas of the harbour, this Coomera Waters residence is the ideal family home, offering all of the comforts that one would expect: a gourmet kitchen, media room, soaring ceilings, formal and informal living areas, high security, commercial-grade elevator, exquisite alfresco entertaining area, sparkling in-ground pool, and lush landscape gardens with special touches and features to create a relaxed yet sophisticated lifestyle. 45 Balmara Place, Coomera Waters.